Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in honour of me getting this new amazing and very poofy wig, I thought it would be perfect to do a Mad Hatter makeup look, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to start off with my eyes. I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. I think the rainbow colours in it would be absolutely perfect, so let's just jump right into it. So I'm just going in with my P. Louise base, which I'm going to apply all over my lid and a fair amount underneath my eyes. So for the first eye, I am just going to be going into this really nice blue shade here. So I'm just applying that shade all over my lid. So I'm next just going to go in with this slightly darker blue down here just to deepen up the outer corner a bit. So just to keep this eye a little pop of shimmer, I am going to go in with this lovely pastel-y shimmery blue just here. So I'm just going to focus the shimmer in the inner part of my eye, just like this. I might even go in and put a tiny bit on my brow bone. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this nice deep orange shade. And I'm just going to blend this out. Then I'm just going to go in with the red shade that was underneath that orange, and I'm just going to apply that a little bit closer to my lash line. So for the next eye, I'm just going to go in with this purple shade just down here. So just like I did on the first eye, I'm just going to pack this shade all over my eyelid. And I'm just going to go in and blend out the edges. So to deepen up the outer corner of that, I'm going to go in with this dark purple shade. Ooh, I forgot how pigmented that purple is, dang. That's pretty. So for the shimmer on this eye, I'm going to go in with this nice purple shimmer here. So then for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this bright pink shade. So I'm just going to pop on a white eyeliner just on my waterline. So for my base, I'm going to go in with the palest foundation that I own, which is the Primark Double Coverage Matte Foundation. So I'm just going to apply this all over my face. I haven't used this foundation since I bought it for my testing Primark video, but it's actually really good. I feel like I need to use this more often. So to make myself look even paler, I'm going to be using the White Conceal and Correct Concealer by Revolution. So I'm just going to kind of apply it pretty much everywhere, because you can never be too pale as the Mad Hatter. So to set my face, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Bake and Finish in the shade, what shade is this? I think it's just a white one. Ghost Finish. No, Baking Powder Ghost Finish. I don't know, it's a white one, as you can see there. So again, I'm just going to apply this all over my face, just to set everything. God, there's so much powder coming off of this brush right now. I think I just inhaled some. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be going back in with that orange eyeshadow that I used earlier, so I'm just going to fill them in now. So I've not blocked my eyebrows out or anything, so this is going to be more of a hint of orange rather than a full-on orange eyebrow, because I don't have the stuff to block out eyebrows right now, so we're doing it the lazy way. So now I might end up regretting this, but I'm going to go in with this kind of purpley pinky sort of shade here and try to use that to contour. So I am trying to make the shape of the contour come all the way down just to try and get the same shape that his face is. So I'm going to attempt at contouring my nose. So for the final part of this look, I'm going to go in with my white Depixum Cosmic Emulsion Liner, and I'm just going to use that to try and paint it onto my eyelashes because I don't have a white mascara, so. So for the very last part of this look, I'm going to be applying my red lipstick. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with how this has actually turned out. It came out a lot better than what I was expecting, and I think that for what I've got, this wig worked absolutely perfectly with this. But I hope that you've enjoyed watching me create this Mad Hatter look, and just remember that all the best people are bonkers, so don't worry if you're a little bit mad because we're all mad here. If you want to see more videos like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.